What's the date? This is August the 1st.
Yeah.
We're out camping at Stanislaus.
First catch of the day.
Hey, look, Brett's got him a fish.
This is bigger than mine. Hey, where's my knife?
Yep. The only one that caught one so far. Here we are. There's Robert. He's pumping up that live
I don't
bait.
care.
There's Monty.
Look, it's still large.
Monty.
Monty.
Yeah, I'm roasting a hot dog.
Steve, can we clean it right here? Or by the well?
Do it over there or something.
Alright,
and bury it. There's where Jimmy and Brett slept. There's me and Rob's camp. Okay. Camp tent. And there's Monty, Britt, and Rick, and Gary slept in the van.
Where is Britt?
We're down there fishing still.
Use Steve's knife. Steve, can we use your knife?
Yeah, as long as you clean it off.
Alright, go get it. Please, or Gary.
Why don't you use that one?
It's all dirty.
It's alright.
Alright, you cut it from here up?
You know, you cut it like this.
Find the rear end hole.
Yeah, that's it.
Put in a pooper. Don't cut deep, just cut the skin. Go with the other knife, Gary.
Yeah, go get mine. I don't know if mine's sharp enough either.
His pooper's bigger.
Why didn't you take the hook out first?
You can't. It's stuck in there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, yeah.
That was a good. Here, Jimmy.
He swallowed it. It's better if you put it like on the log.
I know, that's what I was telling him.
Whoops, like this?
Uh-huh.
Sideways, kind
Now, want me to do it real
of. Is
quick?
this the first time you clean the fish, Brett?
There it goes. No, it's about the second. There's a big difference there. There is.
Brett, all you have to point the point forward.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Like that?
Yeah, and just kind of slide it.
Where do I stop cutting?
Come on. Stop right there. There. Gonna glue up. Go under the gill.
Don't you chop his head off?
Uh-uh.
You don't? That's what we do. We chop it off right here. Look, good. Look, little flies and stuff. Oh,
Yeah, watch, hold this.
That's this
Put your
morning's
finger in here
breakfast.
like this.
Uh-huh.
Watch out for the hook.
Rip all the way down?
Yeah.
Wait.
Want me to do it?
Oh, just do it halfway. I want to see.
Wait, let him do it, Jimmy. So he learns how.
All right.
Finger in that hole.
Here, hold